The biggest expectation a client should have from an attorney is constant communication. So at any time, if you're involved with an attorney and you feel like that communication breakdown is limiting your recovery, obviously you have the right to choose. If you choose to change at that time, and it's happened before, we're able to take that client's case on, and then once we have a better understanding of what's wrong with that client, why they're not feeling good, making sure that the appropriate physicians are being placed on that case, explaining the process, letting them understand the medical care. We've seen on numerous occasions when we've taken cases from other law firms where there was minimal treatment and the client just discontinued care. And that all stemmed from poor communication.
Every client gets their cell phone number, so I always tell clients, you have the same number that my kids have. We are accessible to our clients, whether it's the biggest case in the office or the smallest case in the office, and we're going to be partners in this from the beginning of the case to the end of the case. That's the Anidjar and Levine difference. Call us at 1-800-747-FREE for a consultation.